Do you want to create a network for guests? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: creating a network for guests. Visit http://tplinkwifi.net. Log in with your TP-Link ID or the password you set for the router. Now access the guest network settings. To do so, select Wireless. Then locate the guest network connection. Tick the Enable checkbox for the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz wireless network. Enter a unique SSID, the network name. Do not select Hide SSID unless you want your guests to manually enter the SSID. Now, choose the type of security for your guest network. If you select No Security, no password will be required for guest access. Once done, save the changes. Your guests can now access the guest network using the SSID and password you set. To share network details, click on Share Network to easily share the SSID and password with your guests. To view guest network information, go to Network Map and locate the Guest Network section. You can conveniently turn the guest network function on or off from this section. So, help you create a dedicated network for guests, ensuring they can connect without compromising your main network's security. And there you have it, the way to create a network for guests. We hope the method has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.